It's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, next to that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell button so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. Also, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Make sure you go follow me on there. So today I am bringing y'all my curly hair routine. I absolutely love curly hair. Some people say like curly hair is like the winter time. I feel like curly hair is for the summertime. I love a bikini and some nice curly hair on the beach, girl. Okay, I love curly hair in the summertime. I'm also going to be telling you guys about this hair that I received from Amazon's Donmily hair. This is my second time working with them. I absolutely love their hair so much. Okay, so let's just get into this video. First off, let's just talk about the hair, okay? This is Donmily hair. I got the 3 bundles of Brazilian Jerry curly human hair with the 4x4 lace closure. It's a 3-part lace closure. 3 bundles of 20 and an 18-inch closure. They don't have an actual like amount for the one that I got, which is the 3 bundles with the 18-inch closure, but the closest to it would be 2 bundles of 20, an 18, and an 18-inch closure, which I would be okay with because, I mean, it's literally the same thing anyway. So that one will be $184.70. It is on sale right now. And then the next one would be just all 20 inches. So 3 inches of 20, 3 bundles of 20 inches and then a 20-inch closure. And that one is $203, which is still a really good price. Listen, okay, I love this hair. So it came in its regular cute box. It says Donmily on there, 100% virgin human hair, and it just gives you like instructions on the back or like points of attention. So like, oh my hair washing tips and like necessary care for the hair. So just really quick so you guys know what I did to get this look. I bleached the closure, which I'm obsessed with doing now. I love bleaching closures because it just makes the closure look way more natural, makes the wig look way more natural. Oh wait, it came in bundles, so I made it into a wig. Y'all know I only wear wigs. And I also plucked the closure as well. I feel like some people feel like when they get closures, like you don't have to pluck it because it's not a frontal and you're only supposed to like pluck frontals. No, I pluck everything I get because I feel like it makes it look a lot more natural. But right now this is like in its natural state when it's dried out and everything, and this is just what it looks like. I love their hair only because it is always super soft and bouncy. Like when I had the other hair, it was really soft and it was really bouncy, even up until now when I bleached it and I dyed it red, blonde to red. So it went from black, blonde to red. So this hair is literally just like it. So when I first got it, I should have did a video on it. Oh my god, when I first got it, it was scary at first. I'm like, oh my god, it's like really kinky curls. Like I feel like if my hair was like as long as this hair and it was packaged up, I feel like it would look like that. It was really kinky and I was like, oh, I don't really like kinky hair because I have kinky hair and I just wasn't really, I didn't want to buy something that I had. So I was really scared, but when I took it out the pack, I ran my fingers through it, you know, I put some water on it and everything. I was like, girl, this hair is so pretty. Like I'm obsessed. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I don't really run my fingers through it because it is curly hair. You can't really run your fingers through it like all like regular schmurgler. I get literally the bare minimum of shedding, which is crazy because whenever I get curly hair, it's always like a lot of shedding because it's just a lot of hair. When I bleached the frontal, well, I'm sorry, when I bleached the knots and the closure, no shedding on that as well. It bleached really nice, really well. So when I got the closure was really thick. That's one thing that I can say about Donmily hair. The closures always come really thick. Though that may sound like a good thing, some people don't like when the closures come a little bit like too thick because it just means that you have to do a lot more plucking, okay? And really, nobody wants to have to do like an hour of plucking on a closure, okay? But I personally like when they come thick because I can customize it how I want to. I hate when hair comes either already pre-plucked or doesn't have enough hair for me to customize it how I want it to be customized. So I definitely appreciate them, you know, having it thick. It was a lot of hair and I was scared because I'm like, God, like my hair is big already, and it just made my hair look even more big. It just smothered like my face. It was like this, and I was like, oh my God, what the fuck, like what the fuck. It's just a lot of hair. But once I tamed it and, you know, like just got the hang of it, it's not that big. And once I got used to it, really, honestly, it's not that big. It's really pretty and I really love it. I really thought that I wanted the deep wave hair, because when I got this, I'm like, oh shoot, like I got the wrong car. But then I'm like, nah, like the deep wave, yes, would have been really cute, because I love their deep wave hair as well. But this kinky curly is good, okay? I love it, okay? This is definitely gonna be my go-to. I'm going on vacation to Miami and throwing a wig, bitch. This one, right here, this one. So now we're gonna get into the part of how I actually like style and like take care of my curly hair. Really all you need is some water and a comb, like a thick wide tooth comb, something bigger than this. Like I usually don't even use this because I feel like these are a little bit too small. I cannot find my big tooth comb for the love of my life, so I have my little spray bottle right here. You can get these from the dollar store literally for $1. And I also have some Garnier Fructis style smooth air dry anti-frizz cream. All I'm doing with that is placing that on the top of my head. So I would say starting from my roots all the way till about here, just so it won't be like, you know, like really puffy. It helps with the frizz basically. I don't like putting a lot of stuff on curly hair just because I don't want it to ruin the curls, and I don't want it to get stiff. If you put too much product on your hair, especially curly hair, it will get stiff, girl. You don't want your curls to be stiff. You want them to be popping. If I ever feel like my curls are getting really like crunchy or stiff, I legit just wet it. I'm gonna go ahead with my comb first. So what I do, you gonna need some clips, or if you want to, you can just use a little scrunchie. I like to use my clips though, but I'm just gonna place this like this. Now a lot of people put them in like bigger sections or whatever, and I just don't have time for that. So I'm legit gonna part it in two, and then I'm gonna part it again. Take this, I'm gonna take it from the start from the bottom. Now y'all don't want to mess up y'all curls. Start from the bottom, child. Look at that, it's literally just going through. Oh, this hair is so soft and just so nice. Okay, now you don't want to brush it out too much because like you don't want it to be too bushy. But honestly, even if you do over brush it, is my hair taking up? Even if you do over brush it, you can always, like, the water is supposed to, if it's some good hair, the water will make it like recoil right back into its natural form. I should have got another scrunchie. So I'm gonna go in with my water and just get this spraying, okay? Especially the ends, okay? Especially. And you don't want to be afraid to use the water, baby girl. Use that water. That's what the water is here for. The water was made for curly hair, child. It literally went right back. Taking it all the way up into the roots. You are going to get wet with this process, so just beware. But it's just water. If you want to, you can legit do this in the shower too. But I wear wigs, so trust me, when I'm done this video, this wig coming off, girl. Take my comb, go through it. Alright, and I'm just gonna wet it one more time. One part is done. Look at that, that's so pretty. Now when I get to the front, I don't usually comb out the front because I want the front to stay, like the second time I don't comb it out like how I did the back, because I want the back to be really full. But I don't like to comb out the front because I like that to be more flat. So what I do, I just go in with my fingers and I just puff it up a little bit. Just puff it up. Grab the ends, scrunch that up. That is, like, you know, helps hold the curl, I guess. I don't know, but you know, that's what we do. And then you push it to the back and keep on moving to the other side. So that's how much hair came out. You can also use mousse for this part as well. I don't like to use mousse. I feel like mousse stiffens it, and I don't want it to be stiffened. I just want it to lay. So, and it smells so good. If you like products to put on your hair, use Garnier. Like, I love Garnier's products. They're so nice. If y'all that's a little more flat, that's what I like. All right, and that is my curly hair routine and all about my Amazon Donmily hair. I absolutely love this hair so freaking much, and I know y'all will too. And if you made it this far, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also like this video, give it a thumbs up. And that's all for today. I will see y'all in my next video.